Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Good. Good.
Nice.
How about you?
I'm good, thank you. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Japan.
Oh. You look handsome.
Ah, thank you. You all look beautiful.
Oh. Kawaii. Kawaii.
Which language you speak?
Tagalog.
Ah, napakaganda kayo.
That was good.
Sorry?
You know, I love you in Tagalog.
Mahal kita.
Very good.
Ah, salamat.
You're so cool. Promise. Do you study Tagalog?
Nag-aaral ako ng Tagalog.
Oh.
Araw-araw, nag-aaral ako.
Every day. Yeah.
Oo.
Why did you study Tagalog? You want to visit Philippines?
Gusto kong pumunta sa Manila.
Oh.
Meron ako mga kaibigan.
Oh, okay. That's so good. Can you teach us some words? Some Japanese words. Yeah, some Japanese.
What do you know? You know konnichiwa?
Konnichiwa.
Hello,
Thank you.
hello.
Arigato.
Arigato is thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Kawaii is cute.
Yeah. Kawaii.
Maganda ang pagbikas mo. Oh, yeah.
How do you say ay pogi in Japanese?
Ikemen.
Ikemen.
Oo.
Ikemen.
Salamat. Ano ang paborito pagkain sa Pilipinas?
Adobo.
Adobo.
Yeah, adobo.
Siyempre naman.
You know halo-halo?
Halo.
You know that?
Masyadong masarap.
Yeah.
Oo.
Dessert.
Yeah, dessert.
You know, like any street foods in the Philippines, you know? Do you know one?
Street food. Like,
With,
what is it? Mahirap para sa akin. Yeah. Nakapunta ka na ba sa Cebu?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
We're too far from Cebu. Yeah.
Sa Manila, nakapunta ka na ba?
Yeah, Manila.
Oh.
We're like near from Manila.
Yes.
Can we take a picture?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Actually, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Subscribe.
Yeah. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
You're welcome.
I'm recording right now, but is it okay for you?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good night.
Thank you po.
Thank you.